everyone, my name is Duana, aka Glamazon1026, and welcome to the Glam Room. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're a newcomer, thank you for coming back. If you are an old friend, today we are going to do a face full of new makeup, first impressions. So you're going to get my first reaction on the spot for the makeup that I'm trying today. I got some really good things in my little haul, and so I really wanted to try them out for you on camera so that you guys can see whether or not you should purchase them. So if you want to see all of that, stay tuned.
You got the summertime love. I work for your heart all night till the dawn. You stay when they switch up. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze.
Okay, so my eyebrows are already done. I already put on primer, and so we're going to start with eyeshadow. If you guys hear noise in the back, like a disturbance in the force, it is a fan. I had to bring a fan in here because I'm sitting by the window now and it is very hot. Like the greenhouse effect is taking place, and like it doesn't even matter that I'm sitting under the vent of the air conditioning because it's just hot. Now I don't want to be sweating for y'all on camera. So the fan is in here. Don't worry, I already placed my order for a quiet fan because right now it's just a box fan. Anyway, so we are going to start with eyeshadow, and for the new eyeshadow that I picked up, I have the Milani Bold Obsessions and Soft and Sultry eyeshadow palettes. These retail for $20 in the store. I will say that when I open them, they're going to be broken because I dropped the bag as I was coming in the house. Because tightening them, it scared me. Well, they didn't scare me, they just jumped up on me and I was frightened a little bit. Not frightened like they were gonna bite me, it just took me by surprise, even though they do it every single time. So it is broken. I did drop it. I did open it and I saw that it was dropped and I was very sad. But I mean, broken, and I was very sad. So here is the Bold Obsessions, and you see these two shadows cracked. I got both of them because I saw Soft and Sultry first and I was like, oh, that was kind of cute, you know? But then I was like, I need a little bit more something. So I got the Bold Obsessions because it does have that red and that dark brown in it, and a black and a gray. But here is the Soft and Sultry. This one is really cool. Right? I figured I can get some use out of both of these two, and since they are drugstore, I felt like people would appreciate me using a drugstore product. Okay, so we are going to start with the Bold Obsessions palette. I'm going to dip into, oh, they have names. Okay, this is going to be Sweet as Honey right here. I'm gonna use that as a transition shade. So as a transition shade, it's not terrible, and I know they have other palettes, but these could stand to use some deeper transition colors for my black girls, because this one barely shows up on me. I really feel like these palettes are for the grab and go kind of girl, you know, like not the person that's going to spend 20 minutes blending out one eye with a blending brush. I think this is great for the girls who will put on like a shimmer shade and a deeper shade and get out the door. Which, you know, there's space in makeup for everybody. So I think this would be perfect for you guys who like that kind of stuff. But as for me in my house, I'm having some difficulty developing the flavor. I think it's gonna come out cute though, and I mean it has pretty good pigment. I'm not mad at that at all. Yeah, that looks good. So I finished my eye. I came back with my foundation already done. This is the Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation. I haven't used it in a while. I forgot how much I loved it. I do have a new foundation for you guys, but I wanted to dedicate a whole entire video for it because it's an important foundation, okay? So my concealer came from Ulta. I bought the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer because everybody keeps talking about them, and I haven't tried them. I wanted to try them to see like how good they were because everybody, when I say everybody's talking about them, everybody's talking about them. So I bought two shades. I bought Tan Walnut and Tan Neutral. I didn't know which one was going to fit me best, so I just bought two of them because they were $6. So I was like, well, let's just get two and see which one goes where and what happens with what, and then we'll be good. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch them on my hand real quick and then we'll see which one looks best on my skin. So Tan Neutral is a direct, what's it called? Dupe of NARS Caramel Radiant Creamy. So let me tell you something. If I find me a $6 dupe of this here NARS, let's see how it works. Let's see how it works, okay? It's a really big doe foot, so I like that. Good. She's looking really good. She's looking good, guys. She's looking good. So our next step is bronzer contour, and I have gotten the Makeup Revolution Glow Splendor Ultra Match Bronzer, and this is in the shade medium. Now, I didn't know that these were just for, like, I think these were specifically made for dark skinned people, and I am shook because I was gonna get deep medium or something, but deep medium is sold out. Like, they were all sold out, so I got medium. I think medium will be okay on me because apparently they run really, really dark. So let me open this up and show y'all what's happening. What's happening? Okay, so here it is. Ooh. Yeah, medium is definitely dark enough for me. But I love this. It's so big. It has such a big, what's it called? Mirror. Ugh, it's going to be wonderful. This mirror is really great. You know we love a mirror over here. Ooh. Oh, yeah. You really only need a little bit. I went ham just there. So it's gonna be a little, I'm gonna have a little helmet on this side, but we're gonna work it out. She is looking bronzed. She is looking laid. She is looking everything, y'all. Everything. So my next new product is the Milani Cheek Kiss Blush. So ever since I did that Fenty brush, I've been like, I really like cream blushes now, which is weird because I was scared of them before Fenty. And this is in the shade 130 Cheeky Coral. I got this one because you guys know I love a coral orange peachy blush on a black girl. So we're gonna try this out. I'm just gonna be using my finger to kind of like tap it into my skin. Hopefully we don't disrupt the powder that I put on. It's not that great. It's all right. I wish it had a little bit more color, like just a little bit more color. I think it would be really good on fairer skinned people. I think that fairer skinned people will have a good go at this, but I don't think that this is the right shade of coral. Look at it, it looks cute here, but it's just not showing up anywhere else. So we're almost done with the face. We're going to use the Nabla Skin Glazing Glass Skin Finish Glow Powder in the shade Lucent Jungle to highlight. So this I got from Ulta. I think it was $24, but it was so pretty. I could not pass it up. And I like the packaging too. The packaging is really pretty. I've always wanted to try something that was Nabla Cosmetics, but I never was able to. But this is the highlighter. Look at that. It looks just like a brick of gold. Focus on it. Focus on it. Come on, guys. Do your job. Where is, oh, there you go. There you go. Look at that. Let me go check, see what else, what other colors Ulta got in this, because I like it. I like it a lot. Yes. Yes. Yes, Mrs. Nabla. You are doing it. You are doing it. Okay, so for lashes today, we are going to be using the Park Avenue Beauty Adrian lashes. I've wanted to wear them so many times, but they're so dramatic, and a lot of my recent eye looks have been like super simple, so I look stupid with them on. So I just been like chilling, just waiting to use them. This comes in a box, but Bulma ate the box. So y'all gonna see the box today. She ate the box for all of my Park Avenue lashes. And that makes me really sad. I don't know, one day I just heard her crunching on something. I was like, what is this? She went and she came in here and took, because I have a box full of eyelashes. It's my fault, really, because I didn't cover the box up. She went in there, she took out all of them plastic things. She was just like, crunch, 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 crunch. Thankfully, the lashes were saved, but she did eat the packaging. All of it. I know her poop was terrible that day. So the camera died while I was putting on the lashes, but I ended up cutting off the ends, just like one of the little clusters at the end, because they were too long for my lashes. And that's something that you could always do with any lashes that you think are like too big for your eyes, because they were just really, really overpowering. And I think I'll be able to get a little bit more wear out of them now because I cut them down, so it's not just like, you know, big old snuffleupagus lashes. But I do love these. They are just so pretty, and when you get up close and look at them, they're amazing. So I got them on, and now we're gonna move on to lipstick. Okay, so today we're not gonna really do lipstick. I mean, we are, but I ordered some lip gloss and a lip liner from Alamar Cosmetics, and this is from the La de Nude As collection. And so Alamar Cosmetics is just like Park Avenue Beauty. They are Latin woman owned, and they had some lip liners on the timeline on Twitter. And I was like, oh, that's cute. So I was like, let me see what I could get. So I wanted to get their lip liners and blush and stuff, but the blush was sold out. So I just got the lip liner that was in stock, and I got a lip gloss that is in stock. So I'm gonna give you a really quick swatch of both of them right now. The lip gloss is, the lip liner is Coqueta. Why am I like this? So this is Coqueta lip. Oh, that is pretty. And it's creamy too. Okay, all right, I see you, I see you. And then this lip gloss is called Dulce, and it's like a pinky. So I'm gonna wear these two together today, and we're gonna get me a pinky brown nude lipstick. You know I love that. That is right up my alley. If they come out with a whole line of these, it's gonna have me saying Mac who, because these are creamy. They are very creamy. It is very creamy. I like that a lot in a lip gloss. I mean a lip liner. I don't feel like I'm pulling or tugging. I got the line on really easily. Like, it's amazing. All right, and then here is the lip gloss Dulce. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this. Now we're gonna do like a little wrap up of all the things that I purchased, all the new things that we used, and whether or not I think you should get them. We have the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer. Right now it looks really good. It looks really good. Like, my eye was watering because there was something in it, and it did not crack. And it is like literally an exact dupe. The Tan Neutral is an exact dupe of the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. So when funds is a little low, even though I always have backups as the NARS, but dupe. All my black girls got and get this. Yes, yes. Just go out and get it. Yes, yes, that's a yes. Next we have the Nabla Cosmetics Skin Glazing Glass Skin Finish Powder. Yes, get this. I'm actually about to go on Ulta right now to see what other colors they have so I can pick them up as well. I mean, the Milani is probably the only thing out of everything I use that I probably wouldn't pick up again, but I think it will work on somebody else's skin tone. I just didn't pick the right shade for me. I'll probably send this to my bestie. Look for some blush in the mail, Rebecca. And then last but not least, we have the Alamar lip gloss and lip liner. And yes, when the other lip liner comes in stock, I'm gonna buy it. They got more glosses too, but it's not too sticky and it gives you a nice little shine. I love it. I love the pencil. The pencil is bomb. Like, the pencil is really, really good. Let me get on your affiliate code, girl, because I'm about to sell, oops. I'm about to sell so many of these pencils for you. Anyway, That is all I have for you today. Please, if you love this video, just give me a thumbs up down below. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and become a part of the notification squad, which is called the Glam Fam, so that you can know exactly when I upload. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Glamazon1026, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.